Greetings. Proof positive. You don't need a garden to grow great lettuce. Look at this beauty. Only question I have is, which head's prettier? No doubt. No doubt it's the green one. Yeah, so here we are. We have a lettuce growing in a 1-gallon pot. This is a variety of oak leaf salad bowl. It's from Johnny's. It's called Panacea. It's a more compact version of the plant. I like it. It does really well here in this climate for us. And you don't need a garden to grow your own lettuce. Now, I have some videos in the past you can go back to where we're using the Kratky system of hydroponics for doing this. But for those of you like myself who are not real big hydroponics fans, kind of more like dirt gardeners, this here is in potting soil growing on organic fertilizer with no spray. So we have here an organic lettuce grown under natural conditions. Right over here I've got a regular old storage tub from the store there in Hilo, and filled it up with potting soil. I've got heads of lettuce in there. Right over here I've got endive, lettuce, and cilantro in the container. And you can see down here I've got a copper band around the container. There's another one right over there too. These copper bands are used to prevent the slugs from getting in here, because folks who live in the Big Island, well, we know about the rat lungworm, and so you don't want the slugs getting into your lettuce. Copper will help prevent it. Another thing that also works is 2 strands of copper wire hooked to opposite polarity of a 9-volt battery. And actually make an electric fencer for slugs and snails. It's pretty cool. Right here on the table in the nursery we've got more Panacea. We've also got the Manoa lettuce, which is a favorite here in Hawaii, one of the butterheads. I have more trouble with it getting pounded by hard rains in the wintertime here, and so it tends to bruise easier, the Manoa. The Panacea holds up a little bit better. They're both great lettuce. And again, here we are growing them in 1-gallon pots. Isn't that beautiful? So if you thought you were going to need to have garden space to be able to grow your own lettuce and organic greens, think again. Very easy to do. 1-gallon containers, a little potting soil in there, a little of your favorite fertilizer, stick a lettuce plant in the end. All you need then is sunshine and water. It's really, really easy. Lettuce does not need a lot of root room. You don't need great big containers for doing this. Ain't nothing like fresh salad from the garden. It's pretty cool. So, aloha. Hang loose, grow more lettuce. It's good for world peace.